Shenseea gets a new endorsement. Popcaan and Maroon 5 Nobody's Love remix, and Spice link up with one of our first workers.
I'm happy to know that I still can call you and you're part of my journey, because some of them come in my life, them thief me, them do all kind of things, and then when I stop chat to them, they make it look like I'm me the problem. I never hear you say nothing about me yet. You never call me name, you never chat me. So I love the fact that we can still call you and say, Perry, remember you.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Popcaan people, welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now we have a bunch of stories lined up today, right? So we are going to start off by talking about Popcaan. Popcaan is on Maroon 5 new song, and the song is called Nobody's Love, and Popcaan is on the remix, and people may listen to it, and may I tell you, Poppy did a great job. You see me, I say, in tempo, everything right, people. You see what I say, I like how Poppy deal with that. So you can check out that. It's on YouTube also. You see me, just put in Nobody's Love remix. I want to hear Poppy and hear when I deal with. You see me, I say, big up Popcaan, a big move that for him. You see me, big move that for dancehall overall. You see me, Maroon 5 a big band. So I don't know what he pied song them have. You see me? Now, yesterday I posted this video with Shenseea where she had this flexible thing, right? I never know what it was, but somebody comment on Facebook and tell me, say, it's called the Red Cup Challenge. So another dancehall artist did it as well. A female, Just Mayan, did it. So let's take a look at hers real quick. I mean, she get the cup on the floor and not no spill. So, I don't know what I want to say. She was successful at it or what?
Da da dee da da da. Funny how the friend them were round with. Some of them turn enemy. Yeah. Long time and who said the boy them fake. See don't want a penny we. Yeah. And I me do a show them.
People, the song is called Fake Friends, and it's by G Quality, and it's produced by Madflex Production, that's his own record label, right? I'm going to put the link to the full song in the first comment. Let's hear a little bit more of the song.
Walk through the valley and me never show fear. Who them attack and me act like me no hear. Them no blow bread so zero I care. Put in the hard work, watch the blessings appear. Big fat be my park up right here. Who them a watch all me clothes when me wear.
People, like I said, the song is called Fake Friends and the artist is G Quality, and I'm gonna put the link to him social media and also to the full song in the first comment, right? So big up the artist, so may I say a good song, people. Now check it out. Now let's talk about Shenseea. So we know Shenseea have multiple endorsement, right? Shenseea represent for Boom. Shenseea represent for even Fenty X, that's Rihanna thing, right? And she also have a deal with Pretty Little Thing, and now she have a new one with a Laser Institute, right? So we have a little clip we are going to show now. So here goes. Yeah, people. So all the people I'm in New York and the surrounding areas, that's where that place is located. And I guess we're going to see Shenseea posting it more and more and posting more information about it. So eventually we can see where it is and what it is if we're not interested, right? But me just show us that she get a new endorsement deal. you know what I mean, one more to add to the many that she have, right? So people, let's move on now and talk about Spice. So Spice link up with her old friend on the IG live, you know what I mean, from where there she had trouble him and I said she know him from when he hungry and ray, but today she decide to go live with him. So I have the live phone here, so me I say him and Spice a reason, Spice a talk about, you know, how him help her for start her social media when she never know nothing about it. So here go.
Tell the people them say I was your boss one time. You used
That
to
is
do me look on social media. Tell the people them say me hire you. Me never used to owe you. Me pay you your money. Talk. Me the people them know say me know you from before you name Rowan when you just go to school. Me hire you. And you used to run me look on social media. Me never know nothing about Twitter and nothing. Me never know nothing. And you call me and say, look here. So the Twitter could go and you set up the Twitter for me and set up the Facebook and you never wrap my page and them something there. And you never do not scam for my Instagram and me something there and you set up me something there. Tell the people them say I was your boss. Tell the people them that I was your boss. Perry, don't laugh. Tell the people them.
And she was a very good boss. Very good.
Listen to Perry. Listen to Perry. Listen what Perry said.
And she was a very good boss. And she never yet owe me yet. She never yet.
She don't owe money. I want thing with her. She make sure say you're nice and she pay good.
There you go. She make sure say you're taken care of. Okay. Remember one time?
One thing can't say.
Remember one time in a foreign. I think where were we? I think we were in
Miami. When you fly from Miami, them time they have it now. Them time when you have it, you never so hungry. Them time because you could have buy plate ticket. So when you just bus.
Remember one time? I don't remember what the store was. I think we're in like one of the store. There must be Gucci or one of the store them. And she had paid me. So I said, oh, all right, thanks. And then she added a little stump on the money and I said, what is this for? She said, no, man. Are you that man? That girl here is a nice woman. Very kind.
Nice woman.
Understand?
Nice
when
woman.
When they roll the door, you're not hungry. That's a one thing. To take care of our people, them. She does have to bless her.
You order a burger for my bill and my pay feet. Yeah.
Not lie. Me pay for my burger. You talk to the factory.
All right, one. That's how we didn't have money now. Nobody come hype for me now. Remember me know it from before when you're hungry.
Yeah, people, so in a year, two people have vouched Spice that she a good boss, right? One used to work for her and one currently working for her. And they both said that she a good boss. She no owe them. She like for pay. Right? The one knows that Spice supposed to have a lot of worker because she have a lot of businesses, right? So she have her Grassinora Guan, you know, she have Face and Laces, you know, she have her music thing a Guan and all kind of other things. You see what I mean? I say, even her women foundation thing, I don't know, her sister run that still, but I don't know the ins and outs, so I can't tell you if Spice hire people or not. But you don't get what I try to say, you know what I mean? A lot of people work for her. But then the next part here now, you know, Spice just I tell him, say, watch ya man, I'm glad say you still a link because a whole heap of people are me fall out and you never do me no wrong yet, so big up yourself. So let's take a listen to this part. Here goes.
We could have teeth the girl page I run down with everything.
But isn't it amazing to see my growth? I'm now one of the most followed artists from Jamaica and to know that you started it and you are a part of it. Isn't it amazing to see how I can manage myself now? I know everything about Instagram, everything now about Twitter, everything. You see it? You see how life go? I can't tell you nothing now.
We feel like you big up yourself and I look at the
me pick you up too. Come and me tell the people them say you start out, I look at Twitter page and so come never know nothing. I'm a big you up. I'm tell people them you never live nowhere, I know you buy your apartment.
Oh my God, Grace Hamilton.
You always live at one nice house. I want your house always clean. I'm come for pay you. Your veranda never dirty. Your mother keep your place clean. She paid. You come like she sweep out on the road. I want thing with you. Your mother look like she go outside, go sleep and go sweep all the pavement. No dirt, no look up plastic bag never blow your yard yet. So that my like with your mother. Tell your mother big up herself for me, please. One of the cleanest yard me ever come. Because remember you used to call me every minute for the money, you know, you want you ask Friday come and you me know say you call me.
Can you stop? Look here people, them time there, hello, me tell you something, $10,000 all for money them time there, you know. Hello, me want to pay you. Me need my money, miss. No matter how much thousands it is, that it's only for money them time that God know.
But I appreciate you though and big up yourself. I always join you, you know why I'm proud of you too. And big up yourself. I enjoy watching your YouTube channel and everything where you do. But really, wait there. How this only person is anyway, shall fix it, shall fix the lip. But I'm proud of you though.
Thank you.
I'm happy to know that I still can call you and you're part of my journey because some of them come in my life, them thief, me them do all kind of things and then when I stop chat to them, they make it look like I'm me the problem. I never hear you say nothing about me yet. You never call me name, you never chat me. So I love the fact that I can still call you and say, Perry, remember you.
That is the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here, liking, sharing, and commenting. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.